Hey guys, it's me, Levon, Loaded Operator 7, and today I am building this duck retreat, or duck coop, or duck get the hell out of my workshop is what the hell it is, because them cute little bastards are stanky, and I mean stinky. So what I've done here is I had that little trailer that had the log splitter on it. I took 2 pallets, and I think this is in a previous video. I was going to turn this into a shooting shack or blah blah blah, but I'm getting these ducks out of my goddamn garage. So you see I filled in the slots, which didn't need it at this point, but for this, but I left that one and the 2 in the bottom, and then I took apart all these other pallets, and there goes my tape measure. And these pallets are 40 inches long, the boards are at least. So I came 40 out and 40 out off the center of the trailer, because apparently these bastard stinky little, well, I got quite a number of them, so I want to make it bigger instead of smaller, because if they don't feel comfortable or feel like they got enough room in their coop, they'll start laying their eggs elsewhere. And I'm not about to go hunting down a bunch of duck eggs on all the acreage, because it just ain't happening. So that's where I'm at, guys. What I did was, again, I took the, see, I got the 2 pallets strapped together, and then it's mounted to the trailer. So that's what I'm doing. On the sides, I have already framed out 4 by 8. It's just a rectangle. It's 4 feet by 8 foot, and that's going to be on the sides, 1 on each end, and I'm going to build a back wall. And I'm going to incorporate all of this. Is going to be their coop. And then I'm thinking of leaving a little porch for them. It'll still be covered though, because Pacific Northwest is always rainy. So that way I can have them have a little front porch and either have a feeder or a water or both. And then I'm thinking of having a ramp coming down here and a ramp going down there. And that's the way I think I've incorporated it. Or there's a whole other system to this, which you guys are like, ah, damn it, no. I could just flip the whole thing around and complete the back end, or that would be the end that hitches up to the trailer. Make that the coop area, and then just have a little exit ramp over here, because what I want to do is I have to build the pond elevated, because it's basically a kiddie pool, and I'm not about to dig a hole and recess a kiddie pool into the ground. So I'm basically going to build a deck that's hopefully same height as this guy, and I'm going to recess the kiddie pool into that, and also have a drain in the bottom of it, because man, these guys make a mess. And then what I'm going to do that way is, if I back this trailer up to that, I can dock this to the jacuzzi / swimming pond and build ramps off of that, so that they can come off of those. Does that make sense, guys? So just imagine a kiddie pool over here, raised on a deck. And where my hand is, it's a kiddie pool on a pallet deck, and then there'll be a ramp going this way, and that way, and then this guy will just back up to it, and it'll be like their patio / swimming area. And then of course they're going to have all the land that they want to run around in. If they want to run down the ramp or run into the grass, they can do whatever they want. But what do you say? What do you think? Should I do the old fancy surf villa by doing it that ways? If that way I back up, and it'll basically mount to another deck that's same height as this one, and it'll have a pool on it. That would be freaking awesome, actually. And I think I might do that, but I've ran out of wood, so I gotta either tear apart more pallets, which I've been doing, and then I found out it wasn't 40 inches long. So my choices are take apart this stuff and put it on that end, and do what I'm saying, leave that end be the dock or the deck, and they can that will dock up to the swimming area. I don't know, we'll see what we'll do. Give me any ideas if you have any. Leave them in the comments below. Questions or comments, please, any of them. I will answer you guys when I get around to it, and I have been recently. And I'll talk to you soon. I'll give you guys progress. I'll keep you up to date on what's going on. I'll show you what I do next. Bye.